Want to keep all your games organized in one place? Here's a quick guide on how to add any non-Steam game to your Steam library, making it easy to launch and manage all your games from Steam. Open the Steam client using the Steam icon on the desktop or from the Start menu. Then go to the Games on the menu and tap Add a non-Steam games to my library. To add the non-Steam game file to the library, Steam will scan for the game executable file on your system account. Look for the game executable file in this list. If you can find that, select that and click AD Selected Programs. But what if you can't see your desired game in that list of apps? Then click Browse. Now, go ahead and select the game file from the installation directory. Select the exe file in the game installation directory and tap Open to add that. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.